Hello, this is Darren Martindale with Team Freedom. In this video, I'm going to show you how to efficiently do video marketing. A lot of marketers believe that you have to just make constant videos. While this may be true, there's a there is a shortcut. I know a lot of people think, oh, there's no shortcuts, but actually there is. When you have AI, AI is replacing people. It's very powerful tools. This is called Opus Clip, and with one click, you can get one video into 16 clips, and that is very efficient rather than you try to do so many things all at once. So click on the link and check out this Opus Clips to save a lot of time. Click on the link and you can get access to Team Freedom, where I show you how to get unlimited traffic. I show you how to make money online and so much more. You can copy our funnel for free. So simply put in your name and email and you'll get access to this free training right now. Thank you. Please subscribe.